This is a refreshing sweet drink with a kick. With a bit of fruity flavor and a splash of alcohol, make yourself some adult slushie and have a lot of good time. In a blender, pour the apricot brandy and vodka. Then, add in the grapefruit soda, lemonade, and orange juice made into frozen cubes. Cover and blend until smooth. Then, pour in a freezer-safe container and refrigerate for 1 to 2 hours. After a while, take it out of the fridge and add in the maraschino cherries. Stir to combine. Transfer 1 or 2 scoops into a glass, then serve. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.